Superdan, dealing in the desert. Jigsaw puzzles. Hang on, because we're about to start Jigsaw puzzle number 15. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Was I supposed to say something? Hey, welcome. Welcome to Superdan's Jigsaw Puzzles. We are on Jigsaw puzzle number 15. When I thought I was only going to do 10, or was it 5? I can't remember. But this time we're going to do something that's kind of seasonal. Autumn is coming. It is September 3rd, 2020. And I wanted to do some type of picturesque scene. And since my wife is so fond of farms and stuff, she's from Ohio, not in farm country, but was born and raised in Ohio. I thought I'd do a puzzle that kind of reflects the American rural farm. This is called Friends in Autumn. Friends in Autumn. White Mountain Puzzle, 1,000 piece. White Mountain Puzzle is still family owned, all American made. They're still based in a small town in Jackson, New Hampshire, 850 people. But they're still considered one of the largest in the industry. Both the Jigsaw Puzzle Company and the Jigsaw Puzzles itself. White Mountain is known to have larger pieces, therefore larger puzzles, usually measuring 24 inch by 30 inch. I will give you an example behind me. Okay, that is Springbok. That is a Ravensburger. That's a 500 piece, 1,000 piece, and here's a 1,000 piece White Mountain. You can see the size difference. Okay, that just tells you. They're pretty big, man. They're pretty big. So we are going to put this together, and I'm going to record myself doing so. And we're going to talk about it, and we're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to put this baby together, and I'm looking forward to it. Superdan has time because I am still, believe it or not, furloughed from COVID-19 pandemic since March 15th. Believe it or not, still furloughed. I can't believe it. My property in Las Vegas is not open yet. We don't know when it will be. Hopefully it will open at some point. I don't know. We'll just see. Superdan's life is a little crazy, upside down right now. But I do believe there's a reason for everything, and I will figure out what that reason is at some point in the future. Okay, so plan of attack. We're gonna sort it into the edge pieces. Okay, so the flat pieces, and we're gonna separate the sky and this. So there's going to be probably three, this is my strategy, three piles to begin with. There's going to be a pile of the flat pieces, pile of the sky, and pile of the land. And then from there we'll start working our way from there. Okay, so that's the strategy. This was by Fred Swan. I guess he was the artist. So let's get started. Puzzle 15. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, we just finished sorting this puzzle, Friends in Autumn, White Mountain, 1,000 piece. Excellent constructed puzzle. I can't recommend White Mountain more enough. How's that for good English? Especially after doing that terrible quality Chinese puzzle, made in China, $2 puzzle that pieces felt like they came out of a cheap paper plates. But before we get started with the sorting the flat pieces, the edge pieces, and just for kicks, show you that we also separated the sky as best we could, and the rest of it as best we could, and at least we got that division going of this puzzle. Anyways, I just wanted to show you real quick the quality of the White Mountain puzzle. It is like almost 3 times as thick as that Chinese puzzle. I don't know if this really could give you justice on it, but it's just, you could feel it. It's tough, you know, it's hard to bend. This is a good quality puzzle piece. White Mountain, American made, American made, American made. All right, so let's just continue on to the next step, which is making the border. And then I think I'll stop the video here and continue on later with starting on the detail. Not sure what we're gonna start with. We'll just go where the inspiration takes us in this puzzle. Here we go. Alright, ladies and gents, as you can see, the border is put together. It was more challenging than I thought it was because the pieces, sometimes you're wondering, is it fitting, is it not fitting? You know, it's not like a Eurographics or Rasenberger puzzle where you just know if it fits, it fits. On the White Mountain puzzle, sometimes you're always wondering, But we've done it, except for we're probably missing 1, maybe 2 pieces at the most right here in the corner. Right there in the corner, as you can see. And there it is. So, next we're just going to start working the detail of the puzzle. We got the edges. I don't know where I'm going to start. Might be the farmhouse, might be the White House, the trees. I don't know. But we're going to start filling it in. White Mountain puzzle. Let's do it. Superdan, dealing in the desert, of course. How you guys doing? I did a little bit of the work of the puzzle off the camera. I wanted to show you where we're at this point in time on this Friends in Autumn 1000 piece White Mountain puzzle. As you can see, we got a lot of the detail done at this point. Just a few odds and ends here. But basically we're going to keep with this theme of finishing up those details, as you can see. And here's the rest of those tree and landscape and farm details. We're going to finish that up. Once we finish that up, then we're going to start on the sky part of the puzzle. Sky port of the puzzle. And there's some pieces for those in this box. And once that's done, this puzzle is going to be in the books. So far, great White Mountain puzzle. You know, White Mountains, they make great puzzles. What can I say? So let's just keep at it and finish this bad boy up, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it, and then we'll finish this puzzle. Drum roll, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, puzzle number 15, Friends in Autumn, White Mountain 1000 piece puzzle is complete. Spring Mountain puzzles, excellent quality, and it was a joy to put together. You know, it really was not as difficult as I thought it would be. Pieces, even though I didn't think were clicking together, were clicking together, and fortunately it came out pretty good. Let me give you a close-up view of the finished puzzle right now. Here it is in all its glory and might. A larger puzzle, but that's typical of Spring Mountain, or excuse me, White Mountain puzzles. Typical of White Mountain puzzles to be of a sizable size. But it's been a while since I've done a farmhouse. I really enjoyed it. I like doing the farmhouses. And it was just, as things were coming together, it came together faster and faster. It was really interesting how this puzzle ended up coming along. And I noticed as I was doing it, I was working on detailed parts, and then working out to the non-detailed parts. So that might be something you might want to consider if you're going to do this puzzle for yourself. Alright, so that's going to wrap up puzzle number 15. I do not know what puzzle 16 is going to be yet. No idea. But when I do, we will put it together. Now, please, if you haven't already, subscribe, click the thumbs up, comment down below, support the channel. Superdan does appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.